Mga beshi, so right now I'm here at Dear Self dito sa May Kapasigan branch, and I'm going to do my HIFU treatment again. This is going to be my, I think, third HIFU treatment. So as you can see, may makikita na kayong changes. Sabi ko nga sa inyo before pa, start pa lang ng treatment ko, hindi to one-time treatment at kailangan nyo talagang maging consistent para makita nyo yung kumbaga effect niya. So right now, ito, nabawasan na, yan, pansin nyo, oh. May skin smooth na. Ayan. Wala na rin yung malalim masyado na pangingitim ng mata ko. So, mamaya-maya, another treatment gagawin natin. Tapos tignan natin ulit kung ano yung magiging effect niya. This is my third time.
That's my under mo.
So, ito ngayon yung effect. So, till next treatment.